So find the derivative of ax plus b divided by cx plus dx. So use here quotient formula. Hence f dash of x is equal to denominator term square cx plus d itself square. Then the denominator term cx plus d into differentiation of the numerator term here ax plus b minus of numerator term ax plus b write as it is here. Then differentiation of denominator term here cx plus dr. Here a, b, c and d are the constants here. So cx plus d keep as it is here. Cx plus d write as it is into a constant here write as it is here. Then in differentiation of x becomes 1 plus differentiation of the constant term b is a 0 minus of ax plus b write as it is here. Then c is a constant here. Then x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant is a 0 divided by cx plus d whole square here. Cx plus d it's a square here. Then this is equal to so cx plus d into a. Cx plus d into a minus of ax plus b into cf divided by cx plus d whole square here. Cx plus d it's a square. Take a inside here and minus c inside this bracket. So this equal to cx into a becomes a cx plus d into a becomes ad minus of ax into c here acx minus into plus minus of bc whole divided by cx plus d whole square. Cx plus d it's a square here. Plus acx and minus acx here cancels here. Ad minus of bc here. Plus ad minus of bc divided by so cx plus d it's a square here. This is the answer here. The next example here 1 plus 1 by x divided by 1 minus 1 by x here. You can take LCM in the numerator as a denominator. Here x is the LCM here. Then x into 1 becomes x plus 1. And again here x LCM here. X into 1 becomes x minus of 1. X and x cancels here. X plus 1 divided by x minus 1 here. Okay. Therefore, you can take a differentiation of this function here. Denominator term square here. X minus 1 is a square. Then the denominator x minus 1 into differentiation of the numerator term here x plus 1 minus of x plus 1 into differentiation of the denominator term is x minus 1 here. Therefore, this equal to x minus 1 into here x differentiation is 1 plus 1 differentiation is 0 minus of x plus 1 into here again x differentiation is 1 minus of 1 differentiation is 0 divided by x minus 1 it's a square here. Therefore, this equal to x minus 1 into 1 becomes x minus 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 becomes x plus 1 here divided by x minus 1 it's a square here. Take a minus inside the bracket here. So x minus 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 it's a square here plus x and minus x cancels here. Minus 1 gives minus 2 divided by x minus 1 it's a square here. So this is the answer here. So find the derivative of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c here. Use again quotient formula. So ax square plus bx plus c, it's a square here. Then the denominator term ax square plus bx plus c into differentiation of the numerator term is 1 minus of 1 into differentiation of the denominator term here. So ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore this is equal to, so right here ax square plus bx plus c as it is here. Differentiation of constant 1 is a 0 here, minus of 1 into differentiation of this term here, a constant here. Then x square differentiation is a 2x plus b constant right as it is here, and x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant c is a 0 here, or divided by, so ax square plus bx plus c, it's a square here. Here 0 into this term becomes 0. Complete this term is a 0 here. So this equal to minus of 2ax plus b whole divided by ax square plus bx plus c, it's a square here. So this is the answer here. So find the derivative of ax plus b divided by px square plus px plus r here. Use a quotient formula. Denominator term square px square plus q into x plus r, it's a square here. Then right here px square plus q into x plus r here into differentiation of the numerator term here ax plus b, then minus of ax plus b right as it is here, then the differentiation of denominator term here, that is a qx square px square here plus qx plus r here. Then this is equal to p into x square plus q into x plus r here. Then a into x differentiation is 1 here, a into 1 plus differentiation of constant is 0 minus of ax plus b right as it is here. Then p into, then x square differentiation is 2x plus q into x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant is 0 or divided by, so px square plus q into x plus r, it's a square here. Then this is equal to, take a inside the bracket here, so a p into x square plus a q into x plus a r, take a inside this bracket here. Then write all the term in the bracket here, minus of, multiply these terms here, ax into this term here, so 2ap into x square here, ax into this one, 2pa into x square, then this into this becomes a qx here, then this into this term here, 2b into px, then this into this plus b into q, bracket complete here, all divided by, so px square plus qx plus r, it's a square here. Take this minus inside the bracket here, therefore this is equal to apx square plus aqx plus ar minus of 2apx square minus aqx minus of 2bp into x plus b into qx, were divided by, so px square plus qx plus r, it's a square. Then this is equal to apx square minus 2 apx square gives a minus of apx square. Then aqx plus aqx and minus aqx get cancels here. Then let 2b p into x minus of 2b p into x here. Then plus ar. Then plus bq divided by px square plus q into x plus r, it's a square here. So this is the answer here. You can use a quotient formula, denominator term square here. So ax plus b, it's a square here. Then ax plus b denominator term keep as it is. Then the differentiation of the numerator term px square plus qx plus r minus of px square plus q into x plus r into differentiation of the denominator term here ax plus b here. Ax plus b. Therefore, this is equal to a into x plus b into p constant here, x square differentiation is 2x here, plus q constant here, x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant r is 0, then minus of. So p into x square plus q into x plus r, keep as it is here. Then e into e constant here, and x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant b is 0 here, whole divided by. Then ax plus b whole square here. Ax plus b, it's a square. Then this is equal to multiply these terms here. Ax into this term. So 2ap into x square. Then this into this plus aq into x. This into this 2bp into x. Then this into this plus bq minus px square into a apx square here minus of this into this aq into x minus of ar whole divided by ax plus b whole square here. Ax plus b is a square. Then this equal to 2apx square minus apx square gives us apx square here. Then aqx minus aqx get cancels here. 2bp into x plus 2bp into x plus bq minus of ar whole divided by ax plus b whole square. So find the derivative of the function here. Here a constant here. 1 upon x raised to 4 differentiation of minus 4 divided by x raised to 5 minus of b into 1 upon x square differentiation is minus 2 divided by x raised to 3. Then cos differentiation is minus of sin x here. Therefore this equal to minus of 4a divided by x raised to 5 plus 2b divided by x cube, then minus of sin of x here.